Hi, this is Brian from the Gutter Brothers, and here is an after video of a job we just recently completed in Springfield Township, Pennsylvania. Beautiful new seamless gutters. This is our Superflow gutter system. You can see the size of those outlets. Those outlets will channel, they say, up to 500% more water flow than a standard outlet. And they create a flushing effect, as you can see. So the harder it rains, the better they work. This is our Superflow system. Looks really nice. We also installed a Gutter RX gutter guard protection system to this gutter. As you can see, you cannot see those from the ground. Previously, there was a gutter that ran across here and dumped into this, and he was having a lot of issues with water back in this corner. So we eliminated that return and just put a piece there for aesthetics to make it look pretty, and now have the water draining down the left side here. Previously it was draining here and also in the front here. So that's all been reconfigured. The downspouts have been increased in size. And as we walk around, take a look at everything. The homeowner may pop his head out here. This is the rear gutter. This has been increased in size as well, so we'll get much better water flow from this corner, and that looks really good. Really nice. The guys did a great job here. They're very careful when working around electricity. This gutter here was newly installed. This previously did not have a gutter. The water was just previously dumping over this roof. And just as you can see here, it was just digging holes into the foundation of this garage and running down the face of it. So that's been newly installed. And then this downspout here on the roof, down to a larger spout because the upper roof's coming into the lower roof. And sending the water down and away from the foundation. That's pretty much it. It looks great. You guys did a great job. Homeowner was here at the time, so he was able to instruct them as to how exactly he envisioned this working. With our suggestions and ideas on configuration, we made it happen. Everyone's happy. The job looks terrific. Gutter guards are installed. You cannot see them from the ground. Everything looks really nice. If you'd like to have some gutters installed, give us a call. Estimates are always free. 610-328-5000. You can visit our website at formygutter.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Brian signing off.